Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So today I would like to show you my purchase on AliExpress, which sometimes you found that you think you're buying something and I can clearly see that I haven't pointing my attention well enough to the purchase. Okay, so this is an ohm meter, as you can see, resistant test tools, which you thought you buying the ohm meter. Let's open it. Okay, it was around £10. I will show you the AliExpress stuff. Okay, now the box out has a really nice wrap, like I would need it, but okay. And now we've got a meter. Okay, so now here is only a micro USB, and now the question is, yes, how we should test it, how we should take our resistors there and test it. Yes, and there is a fire button, which I should look that there was a fire button. Now this should count the resistance up to almost 10 ohms, and it should work with milliohms. Now don't get me wrong, it might still work, but I shouldn't buy it. Okay, let's see how many. 100%. So we can use this cable and see if it can work off only cable, or we need a battery because it's working from 18650s. So okay, so now that's off. That's meter, that works off. Okay, that's F6. No battery. Okay, no fire. F6, no battery. So it needs a battery. Now the problem only is that's 18650, so bigger than the regular AA, as you can see. So I need to get 18650, and I will make one more test. I will try those two smaller ones if they both can fit. Now these ones are 16330, 37 volts, so it's fine. One, and that's second. Will it fit, or it's too big? Guys, it fits. So let's put to the meter mode, and of course something doesn't work. Like why it would, yes? Okay, so I thought I'm smart, but it's a minus and it's a plus. Okay, I need to check one thing. These should be charged. Okay, they should have a charge because I bought them new for like a handheld screwdriver, yeah, something like that, only flat for Bosch, I think. Oh, that's ohms. Well, ohms won't give me 4 volts. Okay, and this one we've got 4 volts, so it should work. Now in this case, okay, in this case I assume that that will have, oh, it's too big voltage because we're in series. So I see you think about it when it's too late. Yes, so yeah, it's 8 volts, so it's too much voltage, you can't use them in series. You see, sometimes I think I'm so smart, and then I'm making such stupid things. Okay, so I can't use these two, unfortunately. It's a shame, and in that case I need to look for one 18650, so I'll be right back. And guys, I think I've killed the device, because now when there's no batteries at all, yes, and it's on an off position, when I'm inserting it and pressing, nothing is happening. So pretty much I bought a new device which I've damaged and I can't use. Have you done such stupid thing ever in your life? Because I just did. And no, I can't be proud of what I did. Yeah, and that's recognizing, so that's charging. So in that case, the power is coming in. And in this case, yeah, 0.5 amp. So in this case, either it reset it or it didn't. Okay, it didn't. So I pretty much made it faulty straight out of the box. Don't do this. Please don't do this. Now we can test what's inside. Before I'll do it, gosh, I feel so stupid now, guys. So that's the device, okay? That's 5-to-1 tab mini coil burning measure building platform V3 0.01 ohm to 9.99 ohm resistant test fire micro USB charging fit 18650 battery. Yes, that's all you can read about. So I thought maybe I can use it, you know, maybe, because it should be quite accurate, you know, it should be really quite accurate. So I thought, you know, I can do it. Yeah, I can maybe show you that you can use different device for not the purpose which was designed originally. But long story short, I didn't do what I should do, and now I need to pay for it. So let us open it out of curiosity. What's inside such device? Two screws. Okay, I don't feel like this one is going. These are Torxes. Okay, so my set will be on the second desk. Okay, let's get a one that will fit. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, how do you do? Now, how to open it? Okay, that goes off. And if there's any voltage stabilizer and it burned, I might be lucky and have it back working again. Okay, so here is this for the coil burning. So this goes to this MOSFET. Yes, that's a MOSFET Q1, and second one goes to this controller IC. So first, do we have a short on the MOSFET or we don't? If we've got a short on the MOSFET, you know. Okay, so source to drain. No. Drain to the source. In between source and a gate. No. And in between the last two. No. So there's no short on the MOSFET. Okay. So, is there any short on the capacitor here? No. And on this, that will be the same line. On this capacitor? No. There is Q7 as well. Nothing. No shorts here on the PCB. Okay, let us check under the microscope what can we see as well, what are the chips installed, and that's us. That will be the whole video. So how not to do a stupid thing, now you know it. Yes, okay, that's dark, that's too dark. Okay, I still see darkness. My colors are off, which is a regular thing under this microscope. That's the MOSFET I was testing. 100P02 AD. Then the bottom one is 3092 XLD12. Yes. I don't see here anything burned. What is the chip here? Do we have any information about? No. So in that case I've burned it. And I don't know what it is. Here we know it's 2315, it's 4057A. 2315 probably will be this chip, who knows, you know. But I don't see anything burned, so there's no shorts, so either the controller have died. This should be some, this will be the main chip, which has no markings whatsoever. So in that case I spent money for nothing. In that case I spent money to spend money. Okay, second one will come. We will make a video about the second one. You see this coil. I will write to them that, you know, this came with no power completely. So what should I do? I can, you know, I can write to them. We will see what they will say. I don't know what they will say. But it's weird, you know. It's weird that it doesn't have any protection, and when it was over voltage, you know, it died. Why it's weird? Yeah, nothing. Complete. So in the description is short circuit protection, low voltage protection, breaker protection, low resistance protection, burning time protection, F6 no battery. You see, those errors are on the device here on this table. So why they wouldn't have over voltage protection, which was only 8 volts? Weird. That's really weird, you know, at least for me. Tell me, what do you think? I know I shouldn't do it. Let's face it, I shouldn't do it. I shouldn't waste my money on it. I shouldn't buy it. But I thought I will have extra device because these are those two thingies. Inside one, oh, this one and this one second. And I would say, you know, we should get, now do I have voltage as well on the input side where the, okay, that's voltage. Now minus, yeah, 4.2 volts, guys. So the volts are coming. So in that case that's, oh, on the battery there is 4.2 volts now. So the MOSFET is still working. Okay, I've got MOSFET. I've got some components. Is it worth it? Of course it's not worth it, yes. And then underneath there is more electronics. I'm curious what's underneath, and then we can call it a day. But how come no power if they have protection for everything but not voltage? Literally? Like, how you would do all the protection, but you would forget about the voltage protection, yeah, because nobody will insert anything apart from 18650s there, because people can read. No, you need to make devices stupid proof, as you see on the example I've just showed you. Okay. That's just display, one extra MOSFET here and a button. There is one capacitor as well. Okay, so ooh, I've damaged the that's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Okay, well, I've damaged here PCB a bit, so it's not nice. But what I want to say is, let me switch to the ohms. Let me check this MOSFET. But if this MOSFET would be shorted, the second one would be as well. Yeah, no short. Completely no short. So it's fine. Yeah, as I said, you know, one side would be, the second side would be shorted as well. So in that case, I can't do anything. I will assemble it. I will write to them. That unfortunately came without the power. And we will see what they will reply. If they will reply like, oh, sorry, no warranty, that's okay. Depends on the seller, depends on everything. But what can you do? Free returns within 90 days, no questions asked. So we will see. I've learned my lesson. We've learned our lesson. Don't make the same mistakes as I did. It had so many protections, I wouldn't believe that I will connect two batteries in series, which was not 4.2 volts but 8 volts, and that would cause a harm to it. I do believe that that was the original fault, but that's all I wanted to show you guys. You can comment how stupid I am that I've done this test, but better me than use, so feel free to comment that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.